Hey, this is Joan Pratt with another amazing listing for you to tour today. This one is located in Bell Mountain Ranch in South Castle Rock, exit 181 off of Plum Creek. So this property is unique. It has horses. It's zoned for horses. So we have 305 home sites in our neighborhood that are currently built on, and there are only 75 of them that are horse properties. So not only is this house special and unique because of the house itself, but it's special and unique to our neighborhood. So come on, let's take a look. The inside of the house boasts beautiful hickory floors. In fact, there's only carpet on the stairs for safety, but the rest of the house is 100% hardwood flooring. And as you know, hickory is a really beautiful floor that has lots of texture. It's just a really beautiful type of wood. And the master bedroom bathtub just has more amazing views. Can you imagine just soaking up the tub here and looking at the sunset with a glass of wine and maybe some candles? This home is a walkout ranch with beautiful sunset views. And our HOA actually has a budget for hosting parties. You can just walk across the street to the park to listen to the live band or get a brat or some beer. Pretty cool. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor, including the master, and the secondary bedroom on the main floor also has its own private ensuite. So if you ever had a family member or someone that couldn't get up and down the stairs, you have an option for them to stay right here on the main floor. There's also a main floor study. Take a look at that. The kitchen has slab granite and oak painted white cabinets. And this really beautiful composite sunny deck here. Overall, there's a really open floor plan to this home, light and bright ceilings. Even from the basement, you do not feel like you're in a basement. It just feels like you're in the second floor of a home. Downstairs, there are 2 really large guest bedrooms, and both of them are right next door to their own bathrooms. This property is just over 5 acres, and in addition to the attached 3-car garage, it has a really big, really beautiful detached barn. And the barn is 1,528 square feet. I'm sorry, 1,529 square feet. It was built in 2004, and it does have 3 stalls in it. So it has a tack room in there, and it is fenced. There are turnouts, and it is just a really, really nice setup if you have horses. Well, what do you think? Could this be your next dream home? You can bring your furry kids, your big furry kids, and everyone can live happily ever after in this beautiful ranch style home. If this was your favorite home, please reach out to us. We'd love to show it to you in person. If this isn't your dream home, feel free to share this with someone that might enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching, and make it a great day.